It's good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on your time zone. Please confirm again you can hear me. Please give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, yeah, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I don't know if you're excited. Trust me, I am excited to be here because this is our first AI automation bootcamp. So I'm so excited to be here. I hope that you are excited as well to learn something new because, of course, I'm here to learn. Trust me, I'm here of this automation, how you can be able to automate tasks, move from this to this without, those repetition. So I'm so excited to be here, and I believe that we are going to be learning. Of course, you are going to be learning something great today. All right. So before we dive in, really want to welcome everybody, especially those that are joining us for the first time, not joining us for the first time for AI automation, but this is your first time joining Amda Analytics program bootcamp. We want to welcome you. We want to welcome you. And before we dive into welcoming you, let's do a quick check because we love to see and know where our participants are joining us from. So my name is Chinyere and I'm joining you from Lagos, Nigeria. If you don't mind, please use the comment and tell us where you are joining us from. Just type. Don't unmute, just type. Look for the chat, type. You're joining from Nigeria, just type Nigeria, UK, type UK, US, Canada. Just type where you're joining us from so we can welcome you and ask you questions about your location. Oh, we're not going to do that. Okay, so, California. All right. So just one person, our US, Canada, that's great. Our UK, that's great. Maybe you guys, US, we have a lot of people joining from US. Are you sure that you guys are not going to give me a visa like this? And the people joining us from US. All right, thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for joining. Lagos, Nigeria, Canada. Thank you. Femi joining from Canada. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. So we're so excited to welcome you, Canada, again from Samson. Samson, thank you very much for joining us. And this should be around 11 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. 11 a.m. Canadian time. I'm not too sure, but I think this is around that 11 a.m. 12 p.m. All right. Thank you very much for joining, everybody. Thank you for joining. We highly welcome you. And for those of you that are joining us for the first time, that this is your first time joining Amda Analytics program, I want to tell you something. Don't wait behind. Do not leave this call because at the end of this program, we have something very great that I want to share with you. Okay, something great that I want to share. I hope this session will be recorded. Yes, we are recording it. Thank you for joining us from Shard. All right. So let's dive in. Let's tell you about Amda Analytics, what we do here, and who we are. All right. So if you're with me and you know, I don't know what you're expecting. But me, I know I'm expecting something. If you know here that you're expecting something, you're expecting to learn something, type yeah, or you can unmute and say yeah. If you know in a noisy person, or you type it, type yeah. Go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for family. Thank you for joining. Thank you for engaging. I love the energy. Yeah, my people. So I love the energy. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, welcome. Let's talk about Amda Analytics and what we do. Thank you. Yeah. I love that. All right, so let me tell you about Amda Analytics. As you all know, Amda Analytics is an edtech company, so we're an educational technology company. So a lot of times people just don't understand what we do here. And before we start any of our programs, we love to tell you who we are and what we do so that you understand that this is who we are and this is what we do here at Amda Analytics. All right, so we are that tech company committed to empowering individuals to become global talents through our comprehensive and accessible training programs. So what we do here is to empower you, okay, to ensure that you are well equipped with that in-demand skills that you're looking for, right? So like I always tell people, see, our mission is very simple here at Amda Analytics. Our mission is to bridge the skill gap by equipping learners with in-demand skills, okay, with in-demand skills, enabling them to make informed decisions, drive innovation, and create positive change in the tech-driven world, particularly across the African continent. We are in the tech world. Well, people are saying that tech is the future. And I used to tell them, see, tech is not the future, tech is now. All right, tech is just now. And what we do here at Amda Analytics is to make sure that we empower people, especially people that want to transition into the tech ecosystem, and just make it easier for them to actual transition. Okay, so with track record of success, we've helped over 8,000 participants to successfully transition into the tech ecosystem. Yeah, here at Amda Analytics, we specialize in training individuals in the field of data analytics. That's what we do. We train people in data analytics, data science, business analysis, cyber security, data engineering, HR analytics, AI engineering, AI automation, and project management. Okay, so if you have been hearing about Amda Analytics, you don't know the program they do, you don't even know what they do. Now, we just try to explain to you. We're a tech company. We've helped over 8,000 participants to transition into the tech ecosystem. Of course, we've been doing this over the years. And these are the 9 programs that we offer here. And if you look at all these 9 programs, you know that these 9 programs, they are most in-demand skills. There's nowhere that you mention that I'm an AI automation engineer and nobody would like to hire you. Make sure that you're a data analyst. They know that you have this. You are well equipped. You have these global skills that will make you a global relevant individual. So you can't just tell anybody I'm a business analyst and they will not look at you and know, well, this person knows what he or she is doing. All right, so that's what we do here at Amda Analytics. For everybody asking us, where is your location? Hello, our location is online. So what we do here is 100% virtual. 100% virtual. Okay, if you want to check about Amda Analytics to verify, check online. Okay, we are on every platforms. X, which is formerly known as Twitter. We're on Instagram. We're on LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube as Amda Analytics. Now, if you want to see our website is www.amdaanalytics.io. Okay, so everything that we are doing here, they are all verifiable. Like again, we don't have office school training. Everything that we're doing here is virtual training. We don't operate physical training. All right, so today we're going to be learning something great. Something great. Okay, we're going to be learning how you can build and automate your workflow. So let's see how we're going to do that. But before we dive into that, let me just be sure that my colleague is on this call. Hi, Fortunate, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please can you unmute and speak? Okay, I hope your network is fine. Hi, Fortunate. I hope your provider is fine. Can you hear me very clear?
Yes, can you hear me? I'm here.
Okay. All right, so I can hear you. All right, so Fortunate is going to be, of course, she is our AI automation facilitator. So she has been in the space for years. You know what it means? That someone has been in the space for years and has done a lot of things in the tech ecosystem, helping people, especially people that want to know more about AI automation, that want to build a lot of things for brands, want to make money online, a lot of things that you want to do as a tech person. But then again, you don't want to code and you want to be in anything that has to do with AI. And you don't want to code. You don't want to become an AI engineer, but you want to become part of the AI engineer. All right. So this is who she is. She has been in the tech ecosystem for a while now. So let's look at her profile. Annie Fortunate. Right. So that's her name. So she's a certified workflow automation expert who help businesses optimize their operation through Monday.com and N8N and AI automation. So anytime I hear about AI automation, I know the first thing that will come to your mind is N8N. So it's beyond N8N. So we're going to tell you more about that anyways. So she designed intelligent systems that automate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and enable organizations to scale more efficiently. So her unique brand of technical experts, and communication skills allow her to build automation solutions that are both powerful and easy for teams to use. So she has been doing this for years, and of course, don't mind me. If let me just say this, let me expose her. She's a multi-millionaire. Okay, so let me allow her to speak. Hi, Fortunate, can you hear me? So I'm gonna stop.
So much. Thank you so much, Tinyere, for that introduction. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, please go
In
ahead.
this bootcamp. Can you all hear me? Please
Yes,
give me
yes,
a thumbs up. Oh, thank you so much. I'm very excited
Yes,
to
yes.
be here. Yeah, I'm very. I love to talk. I think I'm going to. We are going to get. We are going to have a conversation, and so just relax. There's nothing. I think I should start from that angle. I studied communications, so this is to just. She's about to bring up some technical jargon that I don't like that at all. So that was on a lighter note. So my name is Fortunate, and I am. And I've heard about the automation girl. That's me. Yeah. So I'll be facilitating this training today, and I want to start from something very important. You know, there's this some people think when you hear about AI automation is a boost. Everybody is now doing this? No, not at all. Because actually been, but it's just that a lot of people never knew, because you know there was this expert sold, oh, telling me you can't do automation without having a technical background. So that it kind of deterred me. I couldn't start when I should have started. But I'm a stubborn person, so I just said, let me shook my head there. Sorry, let me try, and I found to build and make a lot of money from automation. Do you understand that? Are you following me? Can I get thumbs up, please? Yes. So I realized I didn't need to be technical. I didn't study computer science. I didn't study whatever technical course it is. I studied communication. That's where I have my degree. Do you understand? But I want to tell you, so okay, so the major question is, why is AI automation such a big deal right now? I'm going to break down three points. A Telegram chatbot live with you to show you what is possible with this thing. It's very fun. Like I have built a lot of agents. It tickles my fancy. It excites me because it's just fascinating to see how much you can. I love to play with them. I have done very crazy automation. I've built very crazy. I tell people, just give me the idea. Once you can explain, you just say it, and I'll go to work and bring it to life. That's how beautiful this thing we're about to do is. So AI became incredibly powerful. You know, tools like they can now understand language, they can write, they can reason, they can summarize, they can classify. There is so, you see this tool you have like now, they are powerful tools. You know, some people just take up a Claude and maybe let's say Claude, ChatGPT, and say, what is this? And stop there. Come on, you are underutilizing these tools because there is so much they can do. I'm a Claude girl. I use Claude, and I do very crazy things. AI is. Automation tools Zapier, Monday. It allows people like you and I with zero coding knowledge. I don't code. I don't know. I have never written a code with my head. I'm just saying all this to tell you how doable this thing is doable. I don't have a technical background. I love to emphasize that, to tell you that no matter where you are coming from, you can become an AI automation expert and make a lot of money from it. You know, and another thing in businesses breaking. So is that everybody's experience? Can you all hear?
My network is
Hear
actually
me?
breaking.
Okay, could it just be you? Is it everybody's experience? Because I have a good network here, and
most of us are experiencing the same thing.
Are you for real?
Yes, you've been breaking and then your word cease at some point.
Oh, are you for real? Because I have a very steady internet actually, and maybe I should take it a bit slow. I don't know. Is it better?
Okay, maybe we could try that.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's okay. Like when you're speaking slowly, it seems to be fair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
let me talk calmly because I want everyone to understand.
Thank you.
Why AI automation is like the big thing right now, and it's going to remain that way for a very overwhelmed. Like I found automation because I was doing a particular job that was draining me so much. Like I had a lot of files to attend to manually. I had to sort leads manually, categorize them manually, classify them manually, qualify. It was draining. I can spend days, weeks working on just a very few number of leads. And as someone who is curious, I kept asking myself, is there no better way to do this thing? Like, is there no better way to do this thing? That was what actually drove me into automation. And seriously, when I had my first lead classification agent built, I couldn't sleep. I was so excited. I was looking at the whole thing. I was telling everyone that cared to know this is possible. The praise of automation, this thing is doable. This is and to sing it. Everyone was like, oh, this is your newfound love. But I became so relieved that way. Businesses are drowning in manual work. AI automation is the solution they are desperately looking for, and a lot of them don't actually know. A lot of them don't actually know. I think about 2 weeks ago, a client reached out to me and was describing particular doing manual, sorting manual deliveries, all of that, wanted the system. Can I build a system around that? As I told you earlier, with what we have, anything can be automated. Literally anything. Everything, but literally anything can be automated. Like I tell people, just give me a concept. I will go and brainstorm and come up with something that will amaze you. So it is very beautiful. So what can AI automation actually do? It can answer customers' questions on WhatsApp, Telegram, or website. Like it's that once an automation goes live, while you are sleeping, if a lead comes in by, let's say, by 12 a.m. while you are sleeping, you guess what that agent will do? It will go to work. It will go to work. It will respond. It will draft emails. It will send it. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Okay, yeah. So it will send it while you are sleeping.
Yes.
That wasn't possible before AI came into limelight. Let me use that word because it has AI automation. It can qualify leads, decide like what you see on my screen. I don't want to show you a little bit of what is possible before we go to what we have. Chatbot live for you to see. So this is an auto-market lead nurturing workflow. What this workflow does, you see this thing, you see, don't be confused about what you see here. Once you join the door, I will hold your hand, I will walk you through it, I will take you step by step, I will teach you everything you need to know. I'm that teacher. people who have learned from me. I even one-on-one with my student to put them through, because my aim is not just to teach and run it, and understand, and to ensure you understand. I don't just come and say, oh, let's do blah, blah, blah. No, I don't do that, because I knew what I passed through trying to learn this thing without help, without someone to guide me. So when I started teaching, I made a promise to myself that I will be that teacher that once you learn from me, you become better than me. Because I will teach, I don't hoard information. See on my screen right now is a lead nurturing workflow. It is triggered by a form. Let's assume you have maybe a type form, N8M form, Monday.com form, or any form, or even Google form attached to your website, and a lead comes in and fills the form. This agent will automatically execute itself, and it will take that lead depending on their budget and predefined criteria, and qualify the lead and send it to the appropriate quarters. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. This is just like one of the major things, one of the little things that AI can do, AI automation can do. AI automation can book appointments. You know how to build a voice agent. You see, most of this, you go a customer support and you pick to say, hello, you are onto this is let's say for Dan Global, and you think, oh, that is this. And I built them. I have built them. My students build them. It's very powerful. It will take you, it books appointment, summarizes long documents, emails in seconds, summarizes it into spreadsheets or even CRM systems. It will AI agent answer phone calls. It will speak to you like a human being. But I think that would be the bonus to those who are going to join Andor Analytics. Those who are going to sign up for the AI automation course. Very beautiful stuff. It generates reports. It can do a whole lot of things, like a whole lot of things. So today, we promised you that we are going to build a live agent for you to see. So we are going to use 3 major tools. Let me say 4. We're going to use a platform called N8N. It is the most powerful automation tool out there, and it is the technical. And I think it's because they don't understand the platform. But for someone like me, I love N8N. I love N8N so much because once you know N8N, you are almost covered. It's very technical, but it can do a whole lot of things. I'm always very excited when I'm talking about this tool. It can do a lot. So we'll be using N8N, we'll be using Telegram, we'll be using OpenAI, and a lot of other stuff to build this tool. So let's get started. Are you all with me? Are you ready to see the magic? Correct. I can see a lot of thumbs up. Now let's get started. So we are going to use a platform called N8N, as I said. So let's start up. Don't mind the way I'll be a little bit fast, but you understand what I'm doing. If you have your laptop open before you, and maybe you have N8N already there, maybe you have a bit of knowledge, you can follow me as I build. But just write down your questions and everything. I will build it live before you. We will test it, we'll watch it go live, we will interact with it, we will ask it questions, and you watch it answer. So this is N8N. Yeah, I won't go into explain everything you have here because we have limited time today. So what do we want to build today? What do we want to build today? We want to build a Telegram chatbot. Yes, we want to build a Telegram chatbot. So you'll be asking yourself, what is a Telegram? Maybe what can this agent do? Or what can this thing we want to build, what can it do? So this is N8N Canvas, as you all can see it. This is N8N Canvas. So we are going to add our first step in building automation, which is a trigger. So all automations a trigger is what begins every workflow. Whether you are building with Monday.com, with Zapier, with Make.r, with Monday.com, with N8N, all of them are always started, all automations begins with a trigger. Please, am I too fast? Should I slow down? Are you okay with the pace? Because as I told you, I'm not here to end. I want you to understand what we are doing here. Good. So we are good. So let me go back. I really appreciate your feedback. It means a whole lot to me. It means a whole lot to us at Amdo Analytics. Yes. So as I said, every automation is triggered by it's always begun by a trigger. So we are going to trigger this automation with what is called let's use Telegram. We are going to use Telegram. I will show you how to create a Telegram chat, your bot on Telegram. It's not just like the normal Telegram that you have all of that. No. This is, you create a special bot on Telegram. I have mine already created, but I am going to walk you through how to create one. So if you want to create a bot on Telegram to use and build an AI agent, a Telegram chat bot, as it is called, what you do, you go to your Telegram. You go to your Telegram. Let's just give it a little time to open. You go to your Telegram. This is Telegram. So you know what? Once you open your Telegram, you see Father. Bot Father is like the father or bot that helps us create bot on Telegram. So Bot Father is open before us. So I'm going to show you how to create a bot. It is a very simple stuff to do. So once you come here, you will type slash, just type slash new. So you just click on slash new bot, and it will say, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So let's call it let's say Amdo. Let's say Amdo bot. Let's say Amdo bot. Yes, Amdo bot is Amdo bot. Let's say _321. You can call it anything. So let's watch. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot, all of that. So what should we call what should be our username? So we can still use the same name. Let's repeat and say Amdo. Let's repeat and say Amdo bot. Amdo bot. We had an underscore. Amdo bot 321. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Sorry, the username must end in bot. Example, all of that. So Terry, okay, let's try a new username. You keep trying until it gives you something that you can work with. Let's say Amdo underscore 321. Let's see if this works. Sorry, the username must end in bot. Okay, let's go again. Let's say Amdo, something like that. It's a bot. Amdo bot. Let's say Amdo bot. You know, these are systems, and sorry, the username is already taken. Okay, Amdo bot. Let's say 12. Try it around. The username must end in bot. Example, Tetris.
I don't think it accepts numbers at the end. I think it's only characters, not number.
Oh, let's see that. Let's say Amdo. Oh, let's say Amdo underscore. No, Amdo this. But sorry, the username is invalid. Okay, just hold on a bit. Let's see. Amdo. Let me capitalize this. AMDORO underscore bot.
You can include a number.
Try Amdo321 underscore bot.
Okay, let's see if that works. I like the fact that you're giving me suggestions. Amdo 321 underscore bot. Let's see. I hope this works. I hope this works. Correct. Whoever did that, what do I owe you? Oh, don't worry. All right, yeah, thank you. So
You owe me, you owe me free class.
Free class for
I
me.
say, you can reach out to me after and I have something for you. Whoever that is, I don't know your name for now, but thank you by the way. So you can see. So look, I said, Dawn, congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at, so this is where you click to access your bot. But our concern here for now is this API key. This is our API key. So we are going to copy this API key. We are going to copy this API key and go to Telegram. So let's assume if you wanted to configure this, let's assume this was not already done. Let's assume I didn't have this. Once you click on this button, I think let me slow it down a bit. Once you click on this button, as you can, the pencil button, this place will be empty. You will see access token. So this API key you copied from here, this API key you copied from here, you will come to this place and you will paste it here. I am not pasting it because I have mine configured already. I'm just showing you. So you paste it here and then scroll down and click on save. Once you do that, it will show you connection successfully created. You know, one of the major things, one of the bonus things you'll be learning from, for those who will sign up for our AI automation bootcamp, you will learn a lot of integrations. Because that's another skill, another big skill on its own. So we have a Telegram chat bot configured like this. I just showed you how to do it. So I will go back to my own bot because that's what I'll be using to build this. So this is my own bot, a Jazz bot. So you can see I have a lot of stuff there. So the next thing we will do, I will send a message here. Let's say, hey, this is my bot. I'll send a message there and say, hey, and let's come back to this place and execute this particular node. You'll see, let me show you. What did we type on Telegram? We type hey, right? You can see this is the message. You can see, hey, so it works. So for your own, since you'll be creating a new bot, once you, let me take you back, bot father. Once you have copied this API key and pasted it where I showed you, you will come back here. You can see this is our bot, amdor321_bot. Once you click on it, let me even do that. Once you click on it, it will take you to this place. Then you click on start. Once you click on start, you see a message box will come out where you can start typing. But whatever I do here wouldn't send because I didn't use this particular bot. I just created to show you how to do it. Are we, sorry, I need feedback. Are we following? Give me thumbs up if you are following, please. Correct. Thank you so much. That's very encouraging. So you see, hey, we have a message here. So what should be the next node? I told you AI automation can take messages, understand it, and then think. So we are going to add a next node called AI agents. AI agent, this is our AI agent node. So we are going to add an AI agent node. Then under source for prompt, you will select define below. This gives you an opportunity to feed it with messages coming from the previous node. Sorry, this, I hope this doesn't sound technical though, but if you are learning with it, I'll take time to break. These things are very simple actually. We dedicate a whole lot of classes to teaching this. I want to show you. So look at this. So what you do under prompt, define below, you will lift the text. You leave the text that the message you got from Telegram, which is hey, as you can see it here, and just drop it here. But we are going to do something. This one, if I execute it now, it will not work. Do you know why? A chat model subnode must be connected. So this is an AI agent. So what chat model, what LLM, that's large language model, do you want to use and power your AI agents? So we are going to use OpenAI. So you come here and see chat model. Every AI agent has 3 parts: chat model, memory, and tool. For today, our interest is this chat model. So you click on chat model and then type OpenAI because that's what we are using to build. So this is your ChatGPT. This is your OpenAI. So here, I have my account already, but how do you connect your OpenAI? Let me just show you. I think I can walk you through that quickly. Let's say OpenAI AI platform, OpenAI key, API key, API platform. So I have my stuff already. That's why I wouldn't be, but I'll just show you. Once you come to OpenAI, OpenAI to this place, I have an account already, so it will just show me login. But for you to, it might show you get started. So you create an account. Is a normal way to create an account. So once you create an account, it will take you to this AI platform. To take you to this AI platform, I'm going to sign in with Google because I do that mostly. I hope we are all following. It's quite simple. So what we are trying to do now is to get an OpenAI key to help us power our chatbot. So let's wait for it. Look at, so this is mine. But once your own, see, if you don't have an account, you have to create one. So you go to API keys. This is my API keys. These are all my API keys, but I'm going to create one from scratch to show you. So once you come here, you will see create a new secret key. Just type in a name, let's say Amdo bots. You can name it anything. The project, you leave it at default and then click on create secret key. So you see our secret key is created. So you just copy it and then go to your workflow, that the agent you are building. I already have my account here configured, so I'm not going to do it. But once you come here, if you don't have, you see API key, this is where you paste it. This is where you paste it. So once you paste it here, you just click on save and it will save automatically. It's as simple as that. But I'm not doing all that because I have my account configured already. So another important thing to note here, you have to choose a model. To warn you, you know, all these things, these things are a bit expensive. Like to use OpenAI effectively, you have to add like $5 to it. Okay, you can get 100 free connects if credit if you are just starting out. Do you understand? But with time, you exhaust your API cost. You will have to add something. So once I'm testing, I use GPT 4.1 mini because it doesn't consume a lot of credits. So I have configured this. I can now go out of this place and then execute this. You see, it worked. Let me show you. Look at this. See the output. Say, hello, how can I assist you today? Let me stop. Are you following? Are we making sense? Please, I think people should just unmute and give me feedback. Are you following? Are we making sense?
Yes, we are.
They do magic.
No, it's not magic. Even you can do it. Oh yeah, now. So see, so our OpenAI, we've connected. Remember what we did here? You have to select your chat model. So you can in this place, let me show you something. Here you can use, there are a lot of chat models you can use. Let me show you something. A lot of chat models you can use. We chose OpenAI. You can use Claude, you can use Anthropic, you can use Gemini, you can use Grok, you can use Perplexity, you can use a whole lot. But I use OpenAI most times, except I'm bidding for a client. Maybe if a client specifies, oh, I want Anthropic. Anthropic is Claude, by the way. So I go with Anthropic. So whatever my client wants, just give me my dollars and I'll bid it for you. No long talk. So if you say, oh, I want Grok, if I prefer to work with OpenAI and Claude, but if you say I want Grok, I price you and you pay me my money, you pay me my dollars, I get your work done. So whatever your clients want, just give it to them. That's by the way. So the next thing we are going to do is to add a Telegram chatbot again. Sorry, a Telegram node. That's what every step in n8n is called a node. Yes. Every step in anything is called. So we will scroll down. So if you come here and click on Telegram, there are a lot of actions you can perform. Get a chat, get all administrators in the chat, get a member, send a message, all of this. But today we are going to use a particular action, send a text message. This is what we are going to do. Send a text message. So we are going to configure this. Look at the two. We need to configure the chat ID and then the text. So how do we get the chat ID? For the text here, we will carry the output we got from OpenAI and map it here and feed it here. You see, that's a JSON. Hello, how can I help you today? So the chat ID, how do we get our chat ID? So you get your chat ID from the Telegram node. If you know, people get confused, there are a lot of IDs here. So this is update ID. If you carry update ID and put it here, the agent will know what, because it is specific. See, chat ID. So what do? You have to scroll down and look for the chat ID, because this is date. So can you see this is chat ID? So this is what you will carry, this number here, and every Telegram chatbot has a unique chat ID. No two chat IDs are the same. So once we do this, we will now click on execute step. Yay, it worked. You can see all of this. So do you know what we have just done? We have just built something like, let me not even say a miniature GPT. So people will say, oh, this is too simple. A client can pay you to connect 2 nodes for them, because they don't know it's that simple. So the beauty of AI agents is not in how serious it looks like. I have built very serious. Okay, there was a time I had a client who asked me to build a smart Gmail cleanser for him. Okay, his email was scattered, a lot of messages, spam from a lot of platforms he subscribed to. I don't know how to clean them. He came to me and I built a first agent. It had like about 25 nodes. The thing kept failing. I had to sit back and ask myself question, what if I can do this thing simpler? And guess what? I reduced 25 nodes to 7 nodes, and he had his email cleared in less than an hour. Everything that he didn't need, not all the messages, but the ones that are not needed. The agent is that smart. So we are almost done with what we are doing, but we are going to test this thing. So to test this, we'll go to Telegram. You execute node, because this Telegram chat node, this Telegram, the first node you see here, it will be waiting for messages from Telegram. Do you understand? So I need people to someone from the call, please unmute and tell me, what should we ask our agents? Maybe what is data analytics? What is N8N? What is AI automation? I want suggestions. What should we ask? I want someone to unmute and say, what should we ask our agents? So I see how beautiful and how it works.
What is N8N?
What is N8N? Good. Let's go there. So you go to your Telegram. Remember, let's go to our Telegram. Telegram, yeah, this is it. So remember, I'm using Aja's bot. I'm using my own bot. This is the one I created with people, Amdo bot, but I'm using my own bot. That's how I used to configure it. So we'll say, you say, what is N8N, right? What is N8N? So you just send it, and then go back to your workflow and execute workflow. Let's see. See, this is beautiful. Let's see. Can you see output? N8N is an open source. So let's go to Telegram and see if we got a reply. Yay! This is it. Can you see this? Can you see? Please, I need you guys to unmute. Can you see it? Yes,
Yeah.
It worked. Can you see this? So we just asked what is N8N. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool that enables users to automate tasks by connecting various apps. It goes deep. You know, you can even make this more. You know, the model you use most times will determine how detailed your agent will be. I am trying to manage my credit. If not, I would have gone back. I would have used a 5.5, GPT-5, and it will show you wonders. Like wonders. Look at this. You can see this message was sent from automatically with N8N. If you don't want this attribution to be here, you go to your N8N. See, it is the last node that is sending that message. You can go to your N8N and disable it. Let me show you how to do that. Once you get to that node, the last node, just go to add field. You see append N8N attribution. It is toggled on, just put it off. Good. So it is now put off, execute node. So if you go back to Telegram now, you see that the next message we have, because if you don't want, maybe if this is built for we don't have it there. If this is built for a business, most businesses don't want their client to know, oh, this is done with AI. They want to think there is someone behind the keyboard typing all this for you. So most times you have to disable it. Someone else should give me another question. What should we ask our agent again? Someone else on mute and tell me, what should we ask our agent? What should we ask our agent? Someone else on mute and tell me, what should we ask our agent, please? Hello, I need someone to just, what else should we ask this Telegram chat bot we just built?
Tell us a little about data analytics.
Okay, let's say, what is data analytics? It's making sense now. Let's say, what is data analytics? Let's say, what is data analytics? What is data analytics? You will send it here. Analytics, and then come back to our anything, and let's watch. Maybe we have our answer. Let's go back. Data analytics is a process. You might be asking, why do you have to go back to anything and always click on execute workflow if this is supposed to be automated? The answer is this. I know. The answer is this, because it was not published. If it is published, look at this. If you want, you just click here and publish it. If this agent is published, it is live. Whether you go to your Telegram by 10 a.m. and type what is monday.com. What is monday.com? Can you see it? Can you see that I did not go back to anything to go and execute it? Can you see the answer? Hello?
Yeah. Yes,
Because it is active.
Yes.
So how many minutes did it take for that answer to come? Less than seconds. So imagine this is built for a business, and the customers are on this, maybe on your this thing, asking questions, and they are getting immediate answers. Let me even shock you. Do you know we can take this further? We can take this further by adding what is called knowledge base, so that this thing is company specific. Let's say for Amdo Analytics now, we can take everything we know about Amdo Analytics and feed it into these agents. So that when you come and say, what programs do you offer? It will go back to the knowledge base and search it and answer you as if the CEO of Amdo is writing you. And you'll be confused. Oh, is this Amdo boss? Is this the customer support? You won't even know. So this is just a few things. This is just a little magic, a little thing that AI automation can do. See, what we just built together in under 30 minutes is a fully functional AI chatbot. It is run on Telegram, no code, no developer, just 3 connected nodes. Let me say 4 nodes connected, and it's already doing a lot of things. But see, this is what I want to understand there. What you saw today is just the foundation. In our full AI automation bootcamp, I will take this further. I will take this further. We will build a voice agent. We will call it live. You can call it from wherever you are. It will answer you. It will help you manage that. You build AI agent that helps, like personal assistant that looks into your Gmail, looks into your calendar, tells you what you have for the day. It is a whole lot. Is a whole lot. If we had so much time, I would have shown you some of the works I have built. I have built over 50 functional agents, like fully hosted. And let me tell you, clients are willing to pay for these things. Clients are dying to pay, because people don't want to do a lot of things manually, because you see how fast this thing is. So imagine if there was nothing like this, and maybe someone comes to your business page and asks, oh, what is N8N? And you are waiting. How long would it take a human being to type this thing that AI just did in few minutes? So it is powerful. Do you understand? It is amazing. It is awesome. It is awesome. I don't know what to say. But this is beautiful. So this is just a test of what we teach inside AMDO Analytics AI Automation Bootcamp. This is just I think it's from the iceberg to say that. I want to take questions now from what we have just done. What questions do you have? I'm sure a lot of you are asking. I just answered one million question. Someone would have, oh, why do you have to go back and do it? Why do you have to go back and execute it? But now you can see that once it is live and you ask a question, let's say let's say what is let me say something abstract. Let's say what is vitamin C? What is vitamin C? Can you see that? How many minutes did it? Seconds. And we have it. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin. Anything at all. This can even serve as a personal assistant to just come here once it is live. Once this thing is live, if I send you the link from anywhere, I think I should even send you, I should even send you the link. So please, you can ask your questions now so that, let me start answering them. You can ask your questions now. I know a lot of you. Just unmute, please. When one person is talking, every person mute, please, to help us have a decorum and have a swift flow. So, all right.
Sorry, what's your boss? Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, what?
Your baby is crying. Hello. Who is this? Someone has unmuted and your baby is crying. Who is that?
So is
Okay,
it only
okay.
N810 that is the only one that we can use? Is there any other website aside from N810?
Okay, for our AI Automation Bootcamp, you'll be learning Monday.com. You'll be learning Zapier. Do you understand? The N810 is just one thing because this is a bootcamp. We cannot go back and do with other things, but you'll be learning N810. You'll be learning it in depth. You'll be learning Zapier. You'll be learning Monday.com. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, so any other question? Yes, please.
So when are we having the bootcamp?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you speak up?
When are we having the bootcamp?
Okay, our next bootcamp is from 25th of July.
Okay.
But we have very limited slots, so if you should be interested, you should pay up so that we can. Don't worry, the boss will come up and say some other things. But the next bootcamp is from 25th of July. Yeah, someone is already answering you. Yes. So, Mr. Adiola, I saw your hand up. Can you speak, please?
Yes. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Thanks for your explanation. I really enjoyed, and it's a new concept for me, and that is something I really wish to plug in. I wish to enroll. But my questions, perhaps maybe though I joined a bit late, so my question would be like the question you are asking the chatbot, the AI agents. So what's the difference between what we are learning, as in this thing that we are building? What is the difference between it and the Google? Because I heard when you were asking what is vitamin C, and then this is something that I can get from Google. I can get from other, like using ChatGPT. So what's the difference between what we want to learn and other, like ChatGPT and other AI tools that we have out there?
Sorry, I didn't get the last part. So what's the difference
between what we are learning, between what we want to learn about AI automations, and because the question you were asking the chatbot, the AI agent that you built, you asked it like, what is vitamin C? And then it gives the answer about vitamin C. So my question is, this kind of information, I can definitely get it from Google and all that, and other maybe ChatGPT. So I'm asking, what's the difference between what we want to learn and other AI tools? That is it just for information, or does it have a special, things to it? I'm sorry if I'm asking this question because
No,
I
no.
joined a bit late.
Okay. Okay, you want to know how this what the difference between yeah, Google shows you like 10 website. Let's assume maybe you see the question I asked, what is vitamin C? Google will show you like 10 website. You click one, you read through all of that, long introduction, eventually find maybe the receipt or maybe find the answer or not. But for what we have here, it immediately says here is how this is vitamin C. Like, it doesn't go about giving you all of that. And as I don't know if you heard when I said this can be customized for, let's say we are dealing with Amdo Analytics now. Amdo Analytics have a knowledge base. It has fact, maybe frequently asked questions. You know that we can carry Amdo Analytics knowledge base and ingest it into this agent. So that when for now it's looking maybe very broad because we did not narrow it down. It can be narrowed down to organizations, where it answers customer questions about a specific organization. Do you understand? So a chatbot is, let's say Google will give you very broad answers, give you websites, all of these, but this can be very specific. This can be very specific. There's no way you can make Google give you like very personalized answers about a particular brand, all of that. But this can be very personal. This can be built for a business like this. We'll carry the what's it called? Carry the link, the URL, and embed it into your website, or maybe Amdo Analytics website or something. Once you come there, maybe you are making inquiry about the AI automation bootcamp, and it just show you, oh, speak with our. You just ask questions. Oh, okay, what about your program? This chatbot will go and tell you everything you need to know about Amdo Analytics program, when is the next cohort, everything, maybe the pricing, the duration, what you will learn. So it can be very personal, it can be very personalized. I don't know if that answers your questions, Mr. Joy.
Yeah, thank you so much. I got the question. I got the treat now. Thank you.
All right, so we have Fidel. Fidel, can you answer? Can you speak, please?
All right, thank you very much. It's quite interesting listening to you. So my question is, what other tasks can the chatbot do, or AI automation? What other tasks can it do apart from answering inquiries and all those things?
You want me to go back? You want me to show you magic, right? You know, before I don't know if you saw. Before I said we started building, I showed you something on my screen, auto market lead. I showed you something on my screen. Maybe I should walk people some briefly. Just give it a minute. It can do a whole lot. This is just one example out of 10,000. Can you see what we have on my screen? Fidel, Mr. Fidel, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Hi, he's not answering me. This is directly. Okay, yeah. So look at this. You are asking about maybe answering questions. This thing I built, this is a lead nurturing workflow. You see this form? I am not going to trigger this because I already do something. I think I have a little time more to just spend. I'm going to unpin the. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. I think everybody will be interested to see this control. See, let's say we want to. Let me unpin this data. Unpin. What it is triggered by a created inside N8N. This form is carried and embedded into a website. Maybe a customer clicks this form, it will click that link, it will take them to this form. It will now collect data like what is your name? Let's say your email, phone number, company, all of these. Company, let's say my company's name is Amdo. Are you interested in, let's say, paid ad? They are created inside N8N, and what you will learn all these things and more. See, it's a very interesting.
Wow,
this
that's great.
message control video. Yes, look at what will happen. Come on. Do it fast. Look, yeah, the form is submitted. So the automation is triggered. Look at, we have it already. You can see this one is tick green. So what I will do, once I execute this workflow, it will carry that. Sorry, I didn't pin that data. Oh my God. I think I'm sorry, I'm too excited. It will carry this data. Let me just do it again. Sorry, I had to pin, you have to pin the data because what services are you interested in? Let's say SEO, what's your budget? As a big girl, no, 5,000 above is too much. Let's say 1,000 to 5,000. You can make more than this in automation. No, yeah. Yeah, so we just submit it. Our data. Good. On my screen. Can you see what's happening on my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Just
Of course.
yes. So what will you? So look at this. AI agent would do this email for the clients. Open my inbox now and show you a message I received from this thing I just triggered. Let's assume I am the lead. It will send it to me because I used my details. Do you understand? Even look at. We are thrilled to have Amdo on board. Your journey, look at to growth starts now. Can you see this? Is this not beautiful?
Yeah, it is. Of course, it is.
To a rep, but they begin reach out to you in 24 hours. This is very beautiful. It will also alert Ayeni because the email when I was doing this with when I was doing this with the client, it will alert you. It will alert the alert marketing team. So the marketing team, as this workflow is executed, it will send a mail to the marketing team. As it sends to the lead, it will send it to the marketing team. It will alert the sales rep. It will record this in Airtable. I don't have my Airtable open. I would have shown you this data. All this data has been sent to Airtable, like sitting pretty in your Airtable. So if you go to your Airtable now, you will see all this data sitting there. So AI automation can do a lot of things. This is just one out of the 10,000 other things you can do. Does that answer your question, Mr. Fidel?
Of course, it does. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. So, any other question, please? Any other question? Yeah, Ijoma, you can speak.
Okay, hi. Fortunate, I want to really thank you for this. It's mind-blowing what we're able to build in such a short time, and you make it very interesting and very mouth-watering to actually see if one can do two things at the same time. But there's a cohort we're already on right now and hoping to join the other one soon if we know the details. Okay, so that's by the way. So one of my questions is...
your line is breaking.
Is it clearer now? Where did you stop hearing me?
It's clear.
You said made this interesting.
Yeah, I said you made it quite interesting and then very tempting and mouth-watering, but we're actually on a cohort ongoing one now, which is another interesting one, and would like to join the automation, but maybe by the time we know the details. Okay, so having said that, I wanted to ask, is Telegram the only app you could use to create your bots?
There's a difference.
If that makes sense. If the question makes sense, there, like I wouldn't know the terminologies, but we use just Telegram. But Telegram is the only place where we can transition from. I don't know if it's making sense.
Okay, I don't
Yes.
I don't know.
We used Telegram when we started. We've been interfacing with Telegram for where we created our bots, amdo12321_bot. Do you remember
Okay.
now?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
with
Okay.
that
Yeah.
thing,
Oh, I get your question now. Telegram is just one out of the many. You can deploy it from WhatsApp. It becomes a WhatsApp bot. You can
okay.
deploy from a website chat widget, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DM, Slack.
Oh wow.
You can
Wow,
start it from
okay.
anywhere. Telegram is just
Mm.
one out of the many other ones that are outside. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Yes, so
Thank
it's not
you.
just Telegram.
And then,
Yes.
and then secondly, is there a particular reason why you use just your particular about ChatGPT and ChatGPT and cloud, as you said, as a guru? Is there any particular thing? So was
I would say it's a personal bias. All this chat, all this personal bias. I have used Claude for a very long time and it has served me well. I use ChatGPT. As I said, if a client comes and says, I want Perplexity, I will use Perplexity for you.
Yeah, sure. No,
If a client comes and says, I need Grok, you will have Grok. Do you understand? It's not like one is better than no, but it's personal preference, kind of.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, any other question before I hand over to the boss? Ask your questions. You are free. No question is good. Just ask your questions. Okay, I think in the absence of any other question, Amdo, this you can take over. Where you are, you can take over now. And thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate. Thank you for listening. Thank you for participating. Thank you for asking your questions. Thank you for the person that suggested that gave me that name to use on Telegram. Yeah. Thank you so much, everybody. It's
you
nice
say you have something for that person.
Yes, please just write me privately. You can check me out on reach out to me on LinkedIn. Ibo Fortunate. Ibo Fortunate is the name. Just reach out to me. I want to see all of you in class. See, you enjoy this thing. I'll walk you through. I'll hold your hand. What do you say?
Fortunate, if you're going to do that, then I'll have to hold you by your skirt, your trouser, or your whatever, because I wrote it down. He spoke it, so I'm gonna also chat you. So you must have something for me too.
No.
All right.
See, we have enough. We have enough gift to go around. Yeah. Right. Just what's this?
Well, everybody that's Fortunate promised something, please make sure that you meet him in the class and not online, so that she will give you.
We're going to meet her in the class. So when is the class going
so
to
that she
start?
will give you all those things that she mentioned. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. So let's tell you more about AI automation program that you are going to be learning here. So a lot of you will be like, a lot of questions here. Is this what I'm going to learn? Is it, she has mentioned NA10. Is it just only NA10 software that she's going to be teaching us? Of course, you know that NA10 is very, 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 very broad, right? If you want to tell yourself, although you are not there, but ask anybody who has been in this space, and they're going to tell you how broad NA10 is. So not just only NA10 that you're going to be learning. Let me tell you more about our program. So for here, the AI automation program that you are going to be learning, is a live class, right? Live virtual class. We don't have physical class. It's live virtual class, just like what she just did. All right. So our classes are Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays. All right. And the live class is going to be for 2 months. So the live class programs are 2 months, and then 1 month for custom project. That is a total of 12 good weeks that you are going to be learning everything that has to do with AI automation. We are, just like he said, a lot of people are just jumping into AI automation because, of course, we are in the era of AI. And just trust me, why not? You can do it, okay? You can learn it. Just like someone asked, is it just only on Telegram that you can do it? No, I had someone that I had a conversation. There's someone I had a conversation with. That's about a few months ago, I think earlier, 2 months ago, thereabouts. And the man told me how he automated his social media platform using NA10. So instead of him to be posting every day, it's just the chat box that is doing that for him. All right. So there's a lot you can do with that. Automation is everywhere. Like there's a lot of things we are going to be doing. So I'm going to tell you more about the benefits of what you are going to enjoy as a student of AMDA Analytics, right? So here is more than this that you're going to be learning, more than anything. So this is our curriculum that you can see here, very, very, very broad. So this curriculum is not yet on our website. That's why I'm showing you. So for those of you that will need it, just drop a message. We are going to drop it. And before the end of tomorrow, you are going to see it on our website. Because someone reached out to me yesterday and the person mentioned that I am yet to see your AI automation program on your website. So we are working on that. And before Monday, you are going to see it. Right, so these are a lot of things that you're going to be learning. The main tools that you are going to be learning, you're going to be learning AI automation, NXL, you're going to be learning Monday.com. You can see it here, Module 3, Introduction to Monday.com. So you're going to be learning Monday.com, and of course, Zephyr is there. So there is a lot that you're going to be seeing. The program is packed, a lot of things that you're going to be building, and you are going to be learning. I don't know why she's hiding herself. She don't want to tell you how much she's making per week. This one is not per hour because of some being an AI automation engineer. Right now, before we dive in, I'm going to take questions. Please bear with me. I'm going to take questions. Right before we dive in, let me just tell you about other things that you need to know about AMDA Analytics program. Yes. If I didn't tell you this, then I'm hiding something for you. You know, I said something. I mentioned something earlier. I said, if you know that today is your first time joining AMDA Analytics program, that you should wait till the end of this program because there is something that we have for you. I mean, something very great. And let me tell you that. Don't tell any other person. Okay, okay. I know you're not stingy, so tell people. So share this good news. You are a good person in it, so you are. So share this good news with your friends, your enemies, your colleagues, everybody, family members. Share this good news with them. So AMDA Analytics is offering a 19% discount across all our programs. Across all our programs. Now, let me share this again. For those of you that are going to be watching this video, or that will be watching this video in the next few months, trust me, this discount is not going to continue in the next few months. Okay, we started this discount in the month of March 2026 because a lot of people we wanted to get, of course, women in tech scholarship, right? We did that, and a lot of people reached out to us and they're like, how can you be doing this for this amount? However, I want to make sure that you guys do it again. So we did it again and we're doing it again. And trust me, it's going to end very soon. I mean, very, very, very soon. So when I'm saying this, I believe this is being recorded. So for those of you that will come across this video in the next few months and you'll be like, oh, I saw your video is so amount. No, the discount is just for a short period of time, right? So here are the programs that we offer at AMDA Analytics. We offer data analytics for people that are just joining us or you want to know more about AMDA Analytics. We offer data analytics, cyber security, data engineering, AI engineering, HR analytics, data science, project management, business analysis, and AI automation program. So we offer very good 9 in-demand programs that we offer here at AMDA Analytics. So my colleagues are going to be dropping an interest form on the chat. So please, in the chat box, please make sure that you fill it. Now, let me tell you more about it, right? When you fill that form, if you also filling that form, you are interested in starting your program. That's one. You want to maybe either want to speak with a consultant. Maybe you're not sure on which career path to choose, either to go for business analysis or data analytics or data engineering or AI automation. So you want to speak to a consultant. Okay, so if you fill that form, don't worry. That form, maybe you will see a race that will ask you which course are you taking. Just pick the main cohort that is on the form. We are going to reach out to you. Please make sure that you fill the form. If you want to speak to me, just drop that form, pick that form. If you want to speak to any of our consultants here at AMDA Analytics, you are at that verge of starting your program, but you are confused on which career path to choose. Pick the form, fill it, and we are going to contact you. Next tomorrow, you're going to hear from us. Okay, we'll guide you through. The purpose of doing this is because we don't want you to make that mistake. Of course, a lot of people did that mistake, right? So yeah. So another thing again, I want to announce, please, if you can hear me very clear, I want to announce something very great, something very, very important. Don't tell another person, right? Okay, share with people. Okay, so tomorrow by 3 p.m. Nigerian time, okay, 3 p.m., we are going to have another powerful section tomorrow. I guess the speaker, I'll guess the facilitator. I will be the facilitator tomorrow. Okay. So we have another free section now. I'm going to show you, of course, I'll be the facilitator. I'm going to show you how you can automate and build full Power BI reports with AI. This one is not they say. We are building it up very, very clear tomorrow with AI. So don't miss that. So in case you want to dive into data analytics, I don't know if you have heard people telling you that AI will take the job of a data analyst. Whenever I hear this, I do smile because, of course, well, why are we saying that? Because I've been in space for over a decade, close to a decade now, and I know that nobody, AI can never take the job of a data analyst, right? So tomorrow, join us by 3 p.m. tomorrow to see how you can learn, to learn how you can use AI as a data analyst, okay? It's going to be hands-on. I mean, pure hands-on. Don't miss it. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. All right. So now let's talk about the program fee. The program fee. I say yeah. If I celebrate, I'm done. There is nobody. There is nowhere you can see it. See, there is nowhere you can see this price. I say yeah. If you're not in a noisy environment, you can unmute and say yeah. Now, if you are,
Yeah.
Yeah, my people. All right, so if you're my student, you already know yeah. All right, so without yeah, there is no yeah. There is no teaching. All right, thank you for joining us. Now let's talk about the program, the training fee. All right, so our cyber security program and AI engineering program, they are 150,000 naira. I mean, that's less than 110. If you are paying in dollars, okay? If you are paying in dollars, that's $110 or $111 that you're paying. Now, let me say this again. For people that joined us earlier this year, last year, since we started AMDA Analytics, you know we've not done any of our program this surprise. For people that joined us earlier this year, last year, you know that our AI engineering program is 1.1. Our cybersecurity program is 900,000 naira. Okay, so but now instead of doing those things, right, let's have good number of people in the tech ecosystem and let's reduce the price so that we will have people. A lot of people are reaching out to us here. I see the amazing thing that you guys are doing at AMDA Analytics. I want to start the program, but the problem is the training fee. Now there's no problem again. We've cut that barrier. Okay, we've cut that barrier. And note, this discount is just for this period. So not something that is going to last forever. Now, if you want to register for HR analytics, data engineering, data science, project management, business analysis, AI automation, it's what at the rate of 100,000 naira. Are we celebrating? It's not easy. Like, trust me, there's no way you're going to see this. I'm being honest, right? There's nowhere you're going to see this. So, let me share something with you. I don't know if I'll be able to open my WhatsApp and share something with you, but that person's number will show, as I won't do that, okay? So someone reached out to me yesterday. The person paid for 2 people. So the woman is in US. So long story short, she paid for 2 people, right? And she paid for data analytics, business analytics, and cyber security. And she said, no, the cyber security is 100,000 that I will pay. I said, okay. Prisma, send the account details for refund. Of course, something that we know that we are ending very soon. We go back to our original price, which is 900,000 naira, or we can do it maybe plus or minus 1 million or 800. Right, that's the rate that you are going to see it very soon. So it's that we're doing this surprise, and she just said that okay, I'm going to send my account details so that you refund me. In fact, you're going to refund me the 2 payment. I said no problem. In fact, since yesterday I've been the one chasing her because to send account details so that I will refund the money. Today again I send a message, ma, you are here to send account details, because she was like, I saw it somewhere 70,000. I said, okay, please, ma, go ahead. So she sent me a message this afternoon, a few minutes before the session, and she said, I've looked through their curriculum. Their curriculum is a mess. None of their curriculum is up to yours. And I was just like, do you understand what you're saying? Because this is not a program with 700,000 there. Live class, nobody's going to give you any video and say, okay, go and watch this video for 1 month, go and watch this video for 2 months. Your facilitator will be there with you, teaching you Saturday, Sunday. There's going to be weekly mentorship sessions, LinkedIn optimization, Upwork optimization, CV review. All right, so all right, so let me not talk about it because it's something that we want to do and we are doing that. Okay, and of course, like I said earlier, I'm still saying it's going to end very soon. So for AI automation, guys, that you want to learn how to automate, want to learn how to do AI automation from end to end, it is at the rate of 100,000 naira at the moment. That's about $73, even less than. Because I think the rate is has come down now. I don't know, but I think it's a rate of $73 if you are paying in dollar. Now let me tell you about AMDA Analytics and why you should train with AMDA Analytics. Okay, it's practical program. All our programs are hands-on. From the beginning of the program to the end of the program, you are going to be learning from experts. Practical program, nobody is going to give you any PDF and say, go and read up. Okay, so even if there's anything that will be attached to that, just know that it's still practical program, right? So another thing again you should note about AMDA Analytics is our tools that you're going to be using. Of course, just like you see, we are there. Just trust me when it comes to advanced tools, when it comes to anything entirely about something that will help you to become or to keep you being relevant in your career. I mean, as a data analyst, as a data scientist, or anything, we are there to teach you that. Okay. So another thing again you should note about AMDA Analytics is expert instructors. Like our instructors, they're top notch, right? So of course you've seen what Fortunate did for just an hour, and just to imagine when you then stay under her training for 3 good months. Trust me, you are going to become, you're even maybe sometimes maybe better than her. I don't know, you can't be better than her. However, so you're going to become an expert within short period, okay? Within short period, right? So another thing again you should note about AMDA Analytics is weekly mentorship session. Every week you're meeting with different mentors. Every week, every Thursdays 8 p.m. Every Thursdays 8 p.m. you are going to meet with different mentors, people that will guide you, help you to ensure that you excel in your career. Another thing again is the flexible and beginners friendly program. Okay. Now, a lot of people do ask questions like, oh, I don't have any technical background. I don't study computer science. Do you think there's something I can do? I studied economics and I love to tell people about it. I studied economics and I'm doing well in the tech ecosystem. If you've seen anybody that worked with me when it comes to technical, I will tell you to leave this person. So what am I saying here? So if others can do it without any technical background, you can do it. And however, aside from that, what we do here is beginners friendly. We say it as if you are starting your journey. You've not seen any of these tools before. But I think I have some of my students here who are data analytics students, right? Maybe I have people that started last month and people that are Mash course, right? So if you are my student, you will know the way I teach. That's how my other facilitators do as well. We take it from the very basic. We don't assume. We don't assume anything here at AMDA Analytics. No, not like Nigerian University. Apologies, right? That we assume that you have to have learned this thing in secondary school. No, here we don't assume anything. We believe that you need to learn it from the basic, right? Another thing again you need to know about AMDA Analytics is the certification that boosts your CV. I know last week, was it last week? I don't know if it's here. I was telling somebody about our program at AMDA Analytics, and the person was like, can you tell me why AMDA Analytics certificate is that special? I was like, hi, is it some AMDA Analytics that you're asking? Why is their certificate so special? Now, let me share that here because I know maybe a lot of people are still like that same person, right? Asking that question, right? So AMDA Analytics is accredited academy. So if you look at my screen, you are going to see it. I don't know if you can see. Is my screen still showing? Can you give me a thumbs up? You can still see my screen. Can you give me a thumbs up? All right. Okay. That's great. That's great. So I'm seeing it. I'm using two screens. I'm seeing it now. So you can see that American Council of Training and Development. You can see it here. That we are accredited academy. So our certificate is globally recognized. For people that are asking, can I use the certificate to do this? Can I use it? If American can accredit AMDA Analytics, so it simply means that it takes globally recognized certificate. Do you understand? So now, aside from that, aside from getting the certificate that is globally recognized, you are getting hands-on program. Okay, it takes hands-on program. Now, another thing again you need to know about Amda Analytics is the career guidance and portfolio development. You're going to be working on projects. Now, let me share something amazing. Let me share something amazing with you. Now, you see all this is that Fortunate is going to teach you when you register for AI automation program. Let me tell you something. When somebody asks you, can I see what you've done? I don't know why she did not mention about seeing a question. Let me look at this question. Should I come back to this question? Actually, yes, so sorry. I have to leave now. I'm at departments. Okay, please ask your question. Fumilayo, please go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Chinyere. I'm so sorry to disrupt your flow. I'm very sorry. I just had to leave now. Yeah, I have two questions actually. I'm already in the BA class. I think we started last month, May. The end of month, runs Monday to Saturday and Sunday. So I'm just thinking, because I was trying to fill the expression of interest form, and there is no any other date except for there's not even July. So for people like us that are already like engaged for some class already, would there be any in the nearest future, that's any more releases in the nearest future?
Yes, that I said something that interest form that we forgot to edit it. The next cohort is starting July.
Yes, and there's no AI automation as well. Yeah, there's no AI automation in the choices.
Oh, there's no AI automation inside
it's not there yet.
Oh,
it's not
there. Okay,
yeah. So if you have a look, please, and then maybe you can email me or something, and then I will.
Okay. All right. Apologies for that. We are going to edit it and fix
no, that's
that.
fine.
Okay?
I'm so sorry to disrupt your class. It's just that my train leaves now, so I have to go. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. Your question, second question.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, bye.
Is that the only question you have? Is that you have two questions? Okay. I hope she's we got her answer. So someone dropped a question, and I want to answer that question with this. Still confirm you can see my screen. Please give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Someone is asking if there is any remote job for AI automation engineers. Now let's look at it together. So there's a lot of platform where you can actually search for job. I love this question. Let's see how much these guys are earning. If there is any job for them, how much are they earning? So I want to use this platform, read.co.uk. Right, there's a lot of platform out there, but I want to use this. Okay, so now it's asking us, what am I looking for? I'm looking for AI automation. Okay, so I want to log in. It's my so AI automation engineer. Oh, why is it giving me this? It's taking time to load. Okay, it's loading. So let's take it up. So all right, thank you, sir. No issues. I know someone sent me a message today. See, this afternoon asking me, Amda Analytics, where are you guys going to have this particular course? I need to learn this course, and I want to learn it at Amda Analytics. I was like, just calm down. Okay, so AI automation. Let's do it together. AI automation. Do we put engineer? Pardon? Okay, so where? Let me say United Kingdom. Of course, there are many places where you can search for a job. Okay, so let's look at this. Confirm you can see my screen. So you can see this one, AI automation engineer. So you can see it here. This one is 400. You and I can see it too. This job is, of course, this, you know, this website. This website is not my website. It's not even a Nigerian owned website. It's owned by a UK. So it's a UK website. So I love to, anytime I want to do something, I love to use UK because, of course, there's no scam there, right? Of course, not just that they know, hey, you can't use it to compare some website you're going to see in Nigeria, right? So now you can see this AI automation engineer, £400 to £500 per day is a contract job, contract full, pardon. So you need to click on this website to go and search for it. To go and, you know, it's amazing what people are telling me. I am this thing, I am this, I don't have job, I can't see. Okay, now let's come back. Please pay attention. You and I are doing this together. Trust me, we're doing this together. This was posted 2 days ago by this website. Look at it. Built IT recruitment. Now, £800 is like, pardon, £400 is like 800,000 naira per day. 800,000 naira per. I know some people will be doubting, is it possible? See, I'm not the one that uploaded it here. Now let's look at this again. AI QA automation engineer. QA automation engineer. You can see here, 50 to 65,000 pounds per annum. Okay, £50 per annum is almost 100,000 naira. That's per annum. That's per year. Okay, so you can see senior AI engineer automation, senior AI automation engineer. This one they didn't put the price. You can see salary negotiation. Can you see it here? Negotiable, pardon. So you need to sign and you can negotiate with them. Look at this one here. AI automation engineer. Look at the website that uploaded it 2 days ago, and you can see 400 to 600 pounds per day. Now let me tell you something about AI automation program, right? You know, this is a new part. If you can tell yourself the truth, it's not like data analytics has been there for for thousands of decades now, right? So this program has been here. Apart from this, it's just like a new, it's not like it's new, however, it's somehow new, right? So people have not really started pushing in like that because some people will be like, I imagine me as a data analyst that spent over 5 years in the data analytics space trying to move into AI engineer, AI automation. No, I don't want to lose this that I have there. So let me still move into continue with my data analytics. See, one of the things that you have to do for yourself, right, is to learn when to migrate or when to still add another skill to what you're currently doing, right? So there is, you can see here, competitive side, there is a lot. We can use another platform. This is the paper. They look at AI automation engineer. This one too is another platform. This was posted yesterday, 350 to 450 per day. It's not me posted it. You can see. So you can search other platforms. There's a lot of other platforms you can search. Again, you can see here data and AI engineer. Okay, so pardon, all these AI engineer, they are the AI engineer. That means that's the advanced career path in AI engineer, not the automation now. Right. So now you can see there is a lot of job opportunities for them. You can use a lot of websites to find out if there is job or not. So I want to shake my shots now and say hi there. I would like to thank you for all that you're doing. We do appreciate it. And also I just really fill out the interest form for a cyber security body. This training was March and April, May. So no problem, just choose July and May. We are going to contact you. Nothing for July. Also for taking bootcamp. Do I really need to obtain vendor certification to make me start up? See, all you need is experience. I'm telling you the truth. What you need is the project. What you need is those projects to show that I have done this. I have done this. That project is enough to make you to stand out. Trust me. It's not about your certification. You know, I used to tell people something. It's not about the certificate now. It's about what you have done. Okay? And how you can do better in the tech ecosystem. Can you please give me a turn on generator? Oh, apologies for that. Please, what of project management to remote job? There is a lot of them out there, a lot. Don't worry, we're going to have a session for this very soon. where we are going to look at how to get a remote job for all the programs, and that's for the registered student anyways, right? So let's continue. While we are doing this, please, if you have any question, please drop your questions. We are here to take your questions, all right? So another thing again you need to know about AMDA Analytics is the supportive community. So we have people asking you questions every day. How are you doing? Hope you're studying. Hope you watched your videos. How can I assist you? Do you have any challenge? So that's great. Another thing again is the proven success stories. Of course, if you go online, check our YouTube channel, check our Instagram handle, check almost all our platform, you see what our students are saying. Okay, a lot of people that passed gone through our program, what they're saying about our program. And trust to me, if our programs are not good, right? If we're not doing well when it comes to training, nobody will even come out and be bold enough to, you know what it means, that you're showing your face out there, telling people that this thing, I trust the academy. So we have a lot of people that are testifying about AMDA Analytics and what we do here at AMDA Analytics, okay? So another thing again, of course, the affordable training fee is not for this program again, because this one now is peanuts. You see that? I told my students something, was it last week or thereabout? I can't remember, or I think last week, or I can't remember. I don't know, something I said, here at AMDA Analytics, we have reduced the, of course, the training fee, not the value. Not the value. The value of our training is still 100% what we are offering before. Okay, 100% what we are offering before. Right. So let me take a question again. Of course, I can attest to AMDA Analytics supportive community. More grace to you guys. Oh, thank you very much for this blessing. Best, I think you're in project management, much cohorts. I don't know if I'm correct. Hope software development course will be uploaded soon by AMDA Analytics. So I know a lot of people just we are on that. We are working on that, but not soon. Not like as soon. Like I said, someone called me today and said, "Oh, I love what you guys are doing at AMDA Analytics. I want to take this particular course. Tell me when when you guys start teaching it." I said, "Well, we can't promise now. However, we have 9 courses at the moment, and if we add another course, we'll let our community to know. That's you guys, right? AI automation is not mentioned in the interest form when is necessary. Okay. So AI automation program. Please, can you, if you want to choose AI automation program, I don't know, can you send us a message on WhatsApp? Just drop a message on WhatsApp. We will edit it, so we send it back to you. Just drop a message on the WhatsApp if you're on our WhatsApp group. I don't know why we missed out on this. Just drop a message on the WhatsApp group and tell us, Adetola, please, can you drop that form on my DM on WhatsApp so that I can quickly edit it? So send us a message on WhatsApp and just type, I'm interested in AI automation. That's all. Just go to the WhatsApp now as I'm speaking. Type, I am interested in AI automation. My colleagues are there. They're going to send you a message and they will help you. Okay? So just tell them that, oh, I'm available, and they will assist you. Just type, please. Just type, and they will definitely assist you. They will guide you through in your enrollment process. Okay, just type, I am interested in AI automation. Please go to the WhatsApp now and type. All right, so let's take more questions, then we call it a day. The program is starting next month. However, registration is ongoing. Of course, just trust me. We just need a certain number for, I believe last month, people that registered last month. Let me tell you something. So there's a lot of people that we reached out to for the call that started last month and be like, okay, I'm going to register this particular time. I'm going to register. At a point, we stop registration. Okay. And when we stop registration, there's nothing again, right? There's nobody again to, to continue the registration. So please go on WhatsApp. I'm seeing, I'm interested in AI automation. Okay, from our registered students, Ken Deborah. Okay, so I'm seeing your message. I'm going to drop that form. Pardon?
Scandable.
Okay, Kendabo. All right. Thank you very much, ma'am. So for the student, for the registered student too, if you know that you're interested in AI automation program, just go to your WhatsApp. Of course, I'm in all your WhatsApp groups, right? Just go to your WhatsApp group, drop it. I'm going to take your number and I will send to my colleagues that they're going to reach out to you. So anytime that you hear that they message you that they're from AMDA Analytics, you mentioned that you're interested, just attend to them. Note that they are coming from AMDA Analytics. We have 4 authorized special individuals. And of course, Natasha is there. She might pick your number, save as we are talking, save and send it to someone else. And just note that they are coming from AMDA Analytics. All right, so let's take questions. Ask me a question about AMDA Analytics. Ask for proof. Ask for proof. Last week that we did this program, that was last week Saturday, someone said, people started asking me, can I see proof of testimonies of what I'm doing? And we started giving them live testimonies, okay? Like live. People started talking about, we shared a form on the feedback from our students. So ask me questions about AMDA Analytics. Our classes are Saturdays and Sundays, okay? We don't run physical classes now. All our programs are online, 100% online, virtual, and it's live class Saturdays and Sundays. And again, it's going to be weekly mentorship section every Thursday. Yeah, please go ahead, Franklin.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, so please, my question is just regarding the assignment, not AMDA.
Okay.
I joined this program. I started last week. So I noticed some assignments have been done. So I don't know how to get access to those assignments. I've been trying to see if I can get access to those assignments. So I've been going through the videos, the previous videos, so I can just follow up with the assignments. So
okay.
Yes, that's
no problem. Just send me a message on WhatsApp so we can talk about this. Is that okay?
It's fine. Thank you.
Okay, so any other question? Any other question? Question. All right, so if there's no question, we are going to call it a night here. Please send us a message and let's get you registered. AI automation program is 100,000 naira. Like 100,000 naira I can spend in a night. If you have anybody that is interested in tech, okay, if you have someone that you are interested in his or her career, in his or her future, please register them. And especially this AI automation, you don't need to code, you don't need to do anything analytics. I don't know if you understand. You don't need anything analytics, you don't need to code, you don't need numbers. Just how to fix this and automate it. Don't just trigger it and it will start working. And this is actually a career path you can fix any of your children, right? Because they can easily catch up. And again, we are in the era of AI. Fix them in, okay? Tell them about AI automation, and then of course it's something that we help them. Imagine someone who is above 14 years, let's say 15 years, 18 years, start learning about tech now. You know how far it's going to help them in life. Very, very well. It's going to help them, right? So send us a message and let's help you let's get you started in any of our career paths. Right. Thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate you. See you tomorrow, 3 p.m. Like I said, 3 p.m. Tomorrow is analytics. Don't worry. You're going to be seeing magic tomorrow, 3 p.m. Tomorrow, we meet again to learn how you can build Power BI reports using AI. Bye, everybody.